I am Isak de Beer, representing the Republican Party of Namibia in Gobabis, Omaheke region. Here is our vision for every resident. Our leadership style is open doors, honest leadership, transparency, trust and transformation, building better lives for all. We believe in leadership that listens, engages, and serves the community with integrity. To town and regional vision, clean communities, safe streets, hope for every Namibian. We commit to safer neighborhood, a cleaner environmental, and a future where every family can thrive. Plan a plot, a tap, and electricity box for every Namibian household. We prioritize land access, basic utilities, and infrastructure development to uphold our towns. We must go forward, not stay after. Youth is our priority to help him. Work is a problem in Namibia, so in Gobabis is the same. So we want everyone to vote for us on the 26th of November, and all of us will together. Take hands, we go together. Thanks.